Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about another payout request from LeadsLeapProfits.com. Now, if you don't know what this system is, I already have a video where I introduce and explain what it is. I'm gonna make sure to leave the link of that video in the description of this one. However, to put it shortly, LeadsLeap Profits is a system that will help you get the most out of LeadsLeap.com. And if you don't still know what LeadsLeap.com is, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video as well. It will be my tutorial videos for beginners on LeadsLeap.com. Anyways, before we get into today's video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell. I'd appreciate it a lot if you shared the video in any way, anywhere you can. So, this is my first time requesting a payout from LeadsLeap Profits. I haven't done it before, but in my profile I already entered my PayPal account, so I will be requesting the money into my PayPal account. Without further ado, let's go into the commissions page, and the minimum amount to withdraw is $5. I already have 11.45. Now, to clarify something, this is not money earned from affiliate commissions from your referrals, because whenever you get a referral on LeadsLeap Profits, they will pay you directly on your preferred processor, such as PayPal or cryptocurrency or bank account, etc. Okay, so this has nothing to do with whatever and how many referrals you get, whatever they pay you, all right? These are earned by two ways: by the 3 free spins you get every day you log in for the first time to LeadsLeap Profits, and the second way is from referral contest. Every month it's a contest where the first 10 members that refer the most people to LeadsLeap Profits will get a $10 bonus. And fortunately for me, for March, today is April 1st of April, and yesterday I won $10 because I was on the first 10 users that brought the most referrals for the March. All right, so I was gonna request the payout yesterday, but I thought I'd wait until today so I could record another video for my YouTube channel. Now, as I mentioned, this is my first time, and of course, I hope it goes without saying, but I think that the best way to test one site, if it's legit or not, or if it's worth working with it or not, is always to request the payout whenever you reach the minimum amount to do so, and see how it goes. If it pays its users, how long does it take, what kind of payment processor it has, etc., etc. So in the commissions page, apparently there is no, in the first page at least, there is no payment check. Like I said, I already entered my PayPal account on my profile here, edit my profile. So apparently I shall put the sum that I want to withdraw. So I'm gonna go the whole sum, because I'm gonna count also for the fees and see how it goes. Your pending cash out request, you have no request, your paid cash out. Okay, these are statistics, what happens afterwards. So let's just go ahead and click on submit, see what happens. Your cash out request for that much was submitted to the admin. Click here to go back. Okay, let's see what it says now. So I guess this is it now. Probably the admin will see, when she sees my request, probably will pay directly through my PayPal, on my PayPal account, or maybe the admin will send me an email. I don't know what's gonna happen, but whatever happens, I'll make sure to record another video Alright, another short video, and of course I'm gonna let you know how it goes. Apparently this was quite simple to do. Just go to the commissions page. As long as you have at least $5 on your account, you just enter the sum you want to withdraw, click submit, and you just wait and see what happens. Okay, so I guess this is it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna wait, see what happens, and probably, like I said, I'm gonna record another short video just to show you what happened with my withdrawal, how long it took to get the money, etc, etc. Until then, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.